So we're back, and again, this is part of the first case study for the hydrogen fuel cell here that I'm going to be installing in the 2005 Nissan Maxima. So I wanted to review this case study and just point out the fact that what we have in front of us here is we're using distilled water, right? This is the glass canister that is going to be holding the water for our HHO generator, and it's a liter, right? It's a glass jar, and the jar is about a liter full, is probably where my finger is here. But what I'm doing is I'm filling the jar a little shy of the liter, and basically this area here is where the hydrogen gas is going to be pretty much collected and then pulled out or vacuumed out of the jar into the intake manifold. What we're going to do now is we're going to do a quick run through without electricity, and what we're going to do is we're going to test the vacuum adjustment. There's a bubbler cap on the hydrogen fuel cell, and what we're going to do is we're going to adjust that, and we are going to pretty much adjust it to the point where there's going to be a trickling of bubbles flowing. You'll see it flow from the bottom of the jar up, okay? And so what we want to do is we're going to make an adjustment without electricity applied here, just strictly air vacuum to basically, we get the bubbling action working in the jar from the vacuum. Okay, so we're going to take the jar and we're going to walk it to the car. Okay, so put it down here for now. So basically what I wanted to show you is this is where the fuse would go, right? You can see the fuse is not in there, which means that there will be no electricity applied to the hydrogen fuel cell. And this is really the cell itself, okay? Another look at it, okay? That's all stainless steel wire. Okay, all the terminals are disconnected, everything except for the vacuum hose, right, which basically comes up here, and there's a T connector that's hidden, but it really goes right into the intake. I don't know if we can see it, but that's where it goes into, that intake there. Okay, so we're going to connect the top lid to the jar, and we're going to see how we can adjust. This is the bubbler knob. It turns clockwise and counterclockwise, and we'll see how we can get the bubbling action. Okay, be right back.